Leak detection is one of the greatest challenges in the installation and repair of refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Tracing a leak using conventional leak detection methods is often very difficult and unreliable. Our LokTrace Tracer gas leak detection system puts an end to this once and for all. The Tracer gas leak detection method has been used successfully in industry for years. Now we've developed the method further, especially for mobile servicing on construction sites. LokTrace fulfills all the legal requirements for leak detection methods worldwide. And this is how easy it is. For leak detection, charge forming gas 95.5 at a pressure of 10 bar into the high pressure side of the empty refrigeration circuit. Forming gas 95.5 comprises 95% nitrogen and 5% hydrogen. The gas is non-flammable, non-toxic, non-corrosive and not harmful to the environment. Hydrogen molecules are the smallest naturally occurring particles and escape from even minimum leaks. So you can use the LokTracer TLD 500 and LokTracer TLD 1000 hydrogen leak detectors to trace leaks reliably, even through insulation, screed and foam. The LokTracer has a unique double sensor system. This is made up of a hydrogen sensor and a multi-gas sensor. The upstream multi-gas sensor reacts particularly quickly, and the hydrogen sensor reacts exclusively to hydrogen. Sensor control has been optimized to such an extent that the advantages of both sensors can be optimally used for leak detection. Always make sure the leak detector has a double sensor. This is the only way to guarantee absolutely reliable leak detection. Thousands of installation and maintenance companies already place their trust in the reliable LokTrace technology. Turn the leak detection guessing game into a sure bet. Find the leak with LokTrace.